If you're worried about your finances all the time, how can you enjoy your life? If you're working mainly for money, if you don't have time to follow your passion, is that the right way to live? So now it's time to take control of your finances. It's time to take control of your life. I'm Anirudh Sahai. I've done PhD in finance and I've taught in leading universities of India. I've been investing and trading in the stock market for more than 15 years. And most importantly, I have helped thousands of youngsters achieve financial freedom. So join me in this 2-hour masterclass where I'll teach you how to do financial planning, how you can select stocks, bonds, mutual funds and insurance. Basically how to invest like the top 1%. Whether you should buy or rent a house. And much more. So get ready to become a Fin Maestro.